Wait to let my friends see what you are giving me. My son, they give me something. Wow. My son said they give me presents. Oh my God. What's this? Mas, you are making me. My son, they give me presents. Wow. Look at what my son gave to me for my presents. Mas. Oh, give me a hug. Give me a hug. Gave me 50 euros after the food we don't eat it. See how much my son gave to me. See how much he gave to me. I better take the picture first. I'll take the cover picture. Thank you very much. Thank you. Please help me to screenshot it and send it for me. Send it. Ah, this one I'll go put up for my save. It's a special money. This one is a special money for me. It's a special money for me. Oh. Thank you, peace. See my Oga for him. Say hello. Hello to my fans. So that my Oga I carry me come. Say me I come poporing. As I don't know my age now. Anyone where I choose it, they need to take the door for me. We go eat some carry me come restaurants. God give me birthday food. Say that I know eat African food too. I hear we do. I never meet this area before. I don't know how it hands for internet. Okay. So food is coming.
Is it?
Yeah, okay. I'm sharing. I'll go show this one. Is he showing? Are you saying it? I don't know why the thing is not rotating. I don't like it. So they bring more food. Blood will come out of this place.
What's that?
I hope blood will come out.
What's come out?
Blood.
That's not right.
Make sure blood will come out and they give me right. My birthday celebration. My son celebrating me. That's your God. This is my first love. If you say it go, it go. If you say it not go, you believe him. I ain't be that. So if you know you are ready to go, if you are a fine girl, come on. Okay. If any fine girl, they come If you know say you be fine girl, or yeah, come and enroll. No, I not look my makeup. No, I not look my makeup because I not going to remove eyelashes. Come up for it. Because when we go to a restaurant, I never see cook food. It's like there is, or maybe they hot the stove.
Yeah.
Now see the stone still there. Now stone be this one so, and the thing still they cook. Still very hot. For many of African children, they don't know when they give birth to them, because some they give birth to them at home, but some mothers and fathers, they don't go to school, so they don't know if you are supposed to write your date of birth down, your children's date of birth down. That is very necessary. Even up to now, there are many people that are still giving birth. They don't know, they don't write it down. So that is why when I now ask my mom when is my birthday, she says she don't know. What can I do? My father, you can forget, that one was just making babies. You don't even care.
Kannst du dir einen A-Test machen? Kannst du dir einen A-Test machen?
A test? Which one is a test again?
Ein Test.
To know when I was born.
Dann gucken die, wie alt du bist.
That one where we both they do na fake. That one are fake. They no will know. They will go check. Not be bone they check. They will go and check bone. Na fake. No, I don't believe that one. They not they know. They feel just guess. Oh, this thing is hot. Oh. I guess because I remember that then when many people came, so we take asylum. When they ask you, from them we were afraid if you tell them your real age, so when they know that you are of age, maybe they might return you back. So we beat our age down. So they will not take some people to the doctor. Or go and check what age they are. Or you both don't know, right? Now guess that they guess. You sure say if they carry me go now, they will know my age. I don't feel
Ungefähr.
Ungefähr. Best way not to know age, they celebrate now, be. Best way not know age, they celebrate. So may I still join the celebrate. Are we in Africa? There is a good government. If we have a good government, everybody will go and be giving birth in the hospital. So hospital will be helping them to document it. Even if the parents don't know, maybe with time they will go back to the hospital and ask. But because we don't have a good government and there's hospital there, but some people don't have money to take their children, to take their people to the hospital, so they will take them to home service. There's people that can deliver someone at home. Yeah, that's it. So then they will deliver them at home, and these people that are doing it, they don't know that they are supposed to be writing those dates down. That is very important. I dey enjoy my birthday. My oga carry me come restaurant, me I come eat birthday. Now I know say if you want to buy something for me for Christmas, say no be here. You know, go buy here for me. I drink one alcohol-free beer now.
Möchtest du mit mir unbedingt ein Bier trinken?
Only one. I said, me my son drink one beer. Then we gotta drink one beer. Then they drink water. That's when they enjoy me will drink beer. Okay, since you are 18, how many beer have you drink? Like how many? Huh? You don't even know. It's up to a crate.
What's a crate?
A crate, cast, so 12, is it? No, 24. The one you drink with Gunther, how many was that?
Günther?
I think Gunther said you
Günther
drink.
kein Bier getrunken.
You say you and is it Sabrina, that girl.
Ich und Günther haben einmal Whisky getrunken.
What's that?
Whisky.
Whiskey? Wow. And did it worry you?
Aber Günther der war schon ein bisschen.
But I was with Gunther's birthday. Was I not?
Wir haben ein Steakhouse gefeiert.
Was I not there?
Doch, aber ich glaube, der war ein ganz. Weil der hat schon vorher Wein getrunken.
So mixture is not good.
Ja?
So drink this. It's not.
Ja, dann hat er noch den Whisky getrunken. Aber Maximilian, ich hab dich so lieb. Da bin ich nach Hause gefahren, hat ich angerufen, der so, Maximilian, ich hab dich so lieb.
Now I'm in my life. Only once in my life I have drink and get drunk. Only once. I don't really like alcohol that much. If I want to drink, I drink to my capacity, maybe 2 beers, okay. To be drinking and don't know what you are doing anymore. Just once in my life. And I don't like the situation when you wake up, your head is heavy. I don't like it. When we look for time, we go to Africa, so you want to say that when you were going when you were small. Do not understand. So this my beautiful obedient sister still they eat. Wow. Why I not go eat? Nero, why I not go eat? You want me back? The guy will carry me go out. And the guy will carry me go out. My boyfriend, my husband, my first love, my life. Now you do this. Now you do this. Now you they see I'm okay in life. So now you carry me go out.
Ist das lecker? Ist das lecker?
Sehr. Very, very sweet.
Kleines Bier.
The beer? The beer is alcohol free. It's my best beer, but it's not like Rattler. You know I drink more Rattler. So Rattler have more taste than this one. What do they call this one? Alcohol free. France Cancer. What is that? France Cancer.
Franziskaner.
Franciscan. The food is sweet. The food is so sweet. My eyelashes were do so. May I tell you now the history of these eyelashes. As I want to do them, I want to put the thing.
Yeah.
I want to put the eyelashes. This one, the thing. I don't put the gum whether now the thing just push enter there. Come, now no side they learn. I am just learning. Thank you, Favor. Thank you. My friend say God bless you. Thank you. Hi, Prophetess Farm Lady. How have you been celebrating? Compliment of the new year. Compliment of the new year, Anna. Let's just see it join this one. You know, say me, I know the eating actation. The only thing when I be like, you know, this cake that there is There is this thing inside. Streuskuchen.
Streusekuchen?
But all this one, they're too sweet. Too sweet.
Willst du keinen Nachtisch?
Which one? Not be all this one, not be in Nachtisch.
Ja, ich frag dich, möchtest du einen oder nicht?
Nein. You can buy for yourself.
Ich denke nur auf eines.
So the place is very big. Oh. I don't know how my Ogati find this place out. You know, there's some things where you don't know. When you don't know, you to say some things where person don't know. Oh, Silver Wise, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Maureen, happy birthday, my beautiful prophetess family lady. Thank you very much. Silver Wise, happy birthday, sister, and thank you for our handsome son. Thank you very much. Thank you. Amen. Thank you, Silver Wise. Chocolates. See my allergies. There are much people here, I think, in the evening.
Ich glaube, die haben nicht so lange auf.
Ne?
Ja, ist ja noch ein Auto hier drin, deshalb.
But sometimes the auto house can close, they will still be here.
Ja.
Peace. Thank you. I'm enjoying it already. I did enjoy it.
Ja, nur noch ein Espresso Macchiato und dann direkt.
I did enjoy it already. Yeah. I am enjoying my day already. First time where I don't. It's my first time where I don't feel say I get birthday. It's true. My first time in life when I feel say I get birthday, I be this. My son they laugh me. It's true. The first time I've never been wishing, yeah, happy birthday, but to do something like this, it's my first time. Since I was growing up, I never celebrated birthday, never. And yeah, it's my first time, and I'm grateful to my son, my loving. They'll see carry me come and me alone, quietly, no stress, nobody to attach. Just it's your day. Just come and enjoy it. Just come and enjoy it. Then when we were growing up, there are some people the parents will celebrate birthday for. We normally look at it and they are celebrating, like it's a big deal for them, and it's not jealous, but we envy is jealousy. If you envy, is jealous. I envy. Okay, yeah. So yeah, okay, yeah. We envy them. Yeah, we envy them. There. We say a big thanks to your son celebrating Oya. So my friend Queen said a big thanks to you. Thank you, Queen. Mein Sohn hat mich hier hingebracht.
Bitte?
Mein Sohn hat mich hier hingebracht für mein Geburtstag.
Alles Gute.
Dankeschön.
Dann schöne Zeit noch, ja?
Dankeschön.
Ja,
danke. And when they are doing birthday, we always like little we ask, when can we also have birthday like this? But never. So anyway, we go with them to celebrate with them. So today's the first time I am being celebrated on my birthday. The birthday where they give me or they talk how but no, we really talk the truth. How many people know when they take born there for Africa? I mean, now only family did I talk through. Many people don't know when they born them. Many of us they born for village. How many of our parents know where they take born them? How many of our parents know? They don't know where they were just born. All those poor mothers and fathers. They go farm, picking, they suffer, they grow, they come. Life goes on. They don't really know. So okay, this is where it's supposed to be well documented. You know. They don't really know. So even in Africa now, there are still some places, even in the city, there are still some people in the cities. They don't really, they just give birth, except the ones that give birth in the hospital. So they can always go back to the hospital and ask for the certificate. But the ones at home that they give birth to at home or in the bush, people like me that they give birth to in the bush. Mama J Africa Talk Show with. Yeah. Thank you. I don't carry me cocoa spend money because they dash me. This place will cost so not be my mind. And I will just call, they will come here and they go ready like I said they go office. Go see one of them for them. See them. I'm a guy where they spoil me, now be this social. I'm the guy where they spoil me with this. I think they spoil me so. Thank you. Mommy J Africa, thank you very much. Now I'm a guy where they spoil me with that. So. You know they let flap past me. They pamper me. Thank you, Civil Wise. Thank you. This money, if you know where I'll go hide and put. I'll go hide down. Coco. And Master, I never really give you something for your birthday. Oh. I've never really bought something for my son on his birthday. I can't even remember. I've not. We'll just go restaurants, we go eat. Then me I call they give presents. And I'm not so good at giving presents. I be wanting also. So I never really give her something to say, okay, this one are from your mama. I never give her. But I also have a check for you also. So when you have your driving license, so I'll go and transfer the money I've gathered for you in the conto or transfer it on your accounts. I saved money also for since when it was 2 years. 2 years. So now it's 18 plus. So as soon as you get a driving license, then it's good to go to get the money. I love you to Mary. Thank you very much. Thank you. See money when my son give me. After I don't carry me, come eat. Yeah. Dash me 50 card. Dash me 50 euro. Thank you very much. Just carry me because say, Mama, only for you. Today is just for you. Nobody will follow us. Now I suffer follow him. He don't feed me. Belle don't food. God dash me money. Thank you. Okay, Master, this one you want to buy head for me that Christmas that we say. He said you want to buy Christmas tree for me. That's okay. He said, Mama, don't be hell. Don't be. He never even let me land. What do you want me to buy for you? He never let me land. He said, but not hair. But you were oppressing me, Sha. You were oppressing me. Okay, if you want to buy something for somebody, anybody you can say. Somebody can say anything now. Can't hurry. Why not? He said, yeah, when I get too much, I don't buy again. I get your one where they high. Only one. Only one. Crazy. Nice. If you want something to take care of him, Papa don't run, tete. Now he can be my husband, now he can be my best brother, now he can be my best friend, now he be my life. So, and the girl Junior wants where they still they look up to her. And the junior ones, they tell her, say, you are our how do they say it in English? Forbid. Role model. So the junior ones, they tell her, say, you are our role model. God will continue to bless him. Amen. Yes. Favor, thank you very much. Gingy, thank you very much. So the junior ones, they tell her and say, Max, you are our role model. So he knows people are looking up to him. He knows the person they look up to have to behave so that maybe the people where they look up to you, may they not be disappointed. So he's really doing good. I'm proud to have him as a son. I wouldn't have asked for more. He's doing very well. Doing very, very well. The day where God give me, he just create only one that they say, take, I dash you. I dash you, now your own. Just give it. Elizabeth, thank you very much. Thank you. Your daughter is celebrating her birthday today. Wow, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. But my own first night they give me your daughter know you, me I don't know my own. The first now do, so since now today now we can come out come celebrate them. Yes, the ones we just take. Where those 5 cars they are there for? Okay, do video.